Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
So now we are going to talk about Cooke's homologous series. Again, this is the one which had made a classification in the periodic table, or which had helped in the classification of the periodic table. So let us know what is actually Cooke's homologous series. So on the basis of physical and chemical properties, Cooke classified elements in several homologous series. So what is a homologous series of it? Let me talk about that also. So Cooke also found that the atomic weight of the element in a homologous series increases in a regular fashion. So this is what I am going to talk about. That it also had made a statement about it has represented the physical property as well as the chemical properties of the group of elements that has been kept in the Cooke's homologous series, as well as the atomic number which was been increasing as we go from in a group, that is from up to down. Then we can observe that the atomic number or atomic weight increases, and but this kind of arrangement that it has made in homologous series, it had a particular fashion or it had a particular trend that it had shown in this series. So let us talk about that also. So this is one of the groups that we are, as we could see in our in the screen, that is, it represents the group from nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So all has an atomic weight of 14, 31, 75, as we could see, 14, 31, 75, 119, and 207. So these atomic weights are not only arranged in, or these groups are not only arranged in the manner of their chemical property, but yes, they have also a kind of a pattern in the atomic weight. What is that? Let me show you. For example, if 14 is a atomic weight of nitrogen, so for that, suppose we can make it as A. But the next element after the nitrogen when it comes to group, so it is phosphorus, that is having a atomic weight of 31. So that could be distributed in 14 plus 17, so as to make 31. So even that is can be written as A plus B. But again, if we talk about arsenic, arsenic has an atomic weight of 75, so that can be written as 14 plus 17 plus 44. So that is A plus B plus C. So in this case, the homologous series, what we have been right now till up to here, what we have got to know it as, the 14 is the one which has been repeating in each and every element if we cross from nitrogen to bismuth. So this is the one that has been the same overall. While talking about the 17, again 17 is the one which is again repeating. So this is showing that this has a regular pattern or has a particular sequence so as to make the atomic weight of a particular element. And talking about the next one, that is arsenic, it is 14 plus 17 plus 44. That is nothing but can be written as A plus B plus C. But while talking about the antimony, that is, it is has an atomic weight of 119. So we could write it as 14 plus 17 plus 88. But now this 88 is nothing but the double of the 44. That is, can be written as 2C. So therefore it has a regular pattern of A plus B plus 2C. And talking about the last one, that is for bismuth, it is nothing but having an atomic mass of or atomic weight of 207. So again, that could be written with a homologous series that we have got to know now, that is 14 would be the common thing again, 17 would be the common weight, while 176 is nothing but the 4 times that of the 88. So therefore, or 4 times that of the 44. So therefore, we could write it as A plus B plus 4C. So this is what it repeats in a regular fashion, as we could see. So therefore, this was made by the Cooke's homologous, and this is known as Cooke's homologous series, which played a vital role in. But even that had a limitation, that it is not valid for everything. But this is what they have made. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have got to know that how Cooke's homologous series played a very vital role in formation of a group atomic number or atomic weight. So share this video with your friends and just don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.